for today's video, magluluto tayo ng shahi paneer. So, niready ko na yung ibang mga spices na gagamitin ko. Ito yung magiging shahi paneer sauce natin. Lagay na ako ng cinnamon bark and peppercorns. And sunod na natin lagay natin si garlic ginger paste. And then the tomato. I will add a little bit of coriander, turmeric powder, garam masala, shahi paneer masala, guys. Dagdagan ko. So, stir. Kasi maglalagay pa tayo ng water. Stir. Yan. Stir natin, no? Ayan. So, after 30 minutes, ganito na siya, guys. So, patayin na natin yung apoy. So, tanggalin pala natin yung malalaking spices, guys. Yung cardamom. And dinahayaan ko lang siya dyan para lumamig siya at i-blender na natin next. Ilagay ko na sa blender. So, ipipaste na natin, guys. So, this is it. Wow. So, maglalagay na tayo ng cardamom. And then, red chili. You should not burn, guys. And then, lalagay na natin yung ating sauce. Look at this. So, let's add cream. And then some curd. Mix it. Season with salt. Little bit of kasuri methi. And time to add the paneer. Wow. Cook it for some time.
And there you have it, your shahi paneer, homemade. Yum, yum, yum.
So of course, look. Rice as usual. Tikman na natin. First bite is yours. Very swag.